of Isro 2017 December session. So this question is number 34. You can check our paper given in the link is given in the description box. So in this question, they said that the maximum value of reduction in the rolling process is which one? So they have given the options like this, this, and this. They have given 4 options. So for calculating the maximum value of reduction in the rolling process, you need to remember one thing, that tan of beta is equals to tan of alpha. This beta, where beta is called the friction angle, and alpha is called the bite angle or angle of bite angle. We know tan beta, if beta is the friction angle, then tan beta is called mu, where mu is the coefficient of friction. To get the maximum reduction, you have to have beta is equals to alpha. So after solving, get delta H as mu square into R, where delta H is the maximum reduction per pass. Maximum reduction in thickness. Maximum reduction in thickness per pass. And R is the radius of roller. This is the roller. On this, the thickness of the sheet is being reduced. Suppose this is T2. Initially it was T1. So this is the figure, and for whenever they ask you about the maximum reduction, you have to use this formula only. But in general, delta H is given by D into 1 minus cos alpha. This is the general formula. Whenever they have not said about the maximum reduction, you have to use this formula only, where D is the diameter of the roller, and this alpha is the angle of bite. So if you see the options, they have asked about the maximum reduction, but they have given the options like this. Even if you do anything, even if you do any changes, you will never get out of this, any options you will never get. These options will never satisfy this equation. So all these options were wrong. So remember friends, Isro used to make such mistake. Isro used to give options that were wrong. All the options that were wrong, and you will be confused and you will waste time on such questions. Please don't make such mistake, because if you see the 2016, 2017 papers also, they have made the same mistake. So don't waste time. Instead, go on and solve such problems which are very easy, because you have to score high or the time is very less. In that time, you have to solve sufficient questions to get selected. So please avoid such questions. If you are not getting the answer, leave that question. So if you have any doubt, please refer us in the comment section. We are free to reply. Thank you, friends.